Welcome to another session of the Grow with Kinara series. Today, we are diving into DigiLocker and exploring its advantages for MSMEs. What is DigiLocker? DigiLocker allows users to upload, digitally sign, and share various documents like e-Aadhaar, certificates, and business documents on the go. DigiLocker is a key initiative of the Indian government's Digital India campaign. DigiLocker functions like a virtual locker, storing documents and certificates digitally. How does it benefit MSMEs? Document management. DigiLocker streamlines document management for MSMEs, storing various documents digitally to minimize storage needs and the risk of loss. Cost savings. DigiLocker helps MSMEs save on costs for physical document storage, including space, maintenance, and security. Efficiency and accessibility. DigiLocker enhances efficiency by enabling remote document access, speeding up retrieval, and reducing the need for physical searches by MSMEs. Compliance and legal requirements. DigiLocker ensures MSMEs compliance by securely storing essential documents, simplifying regulatory adherence. Environmentally friendly. DigiLocker promotes reducing paper consumption and resource usage in document storage and printing. Integration with government services. DigiLocker integrates MSMEs with government services, simplifying document access for various needs like permit applications and financial assistance. How to activate your account? Step 1. Downloading the app. Download the DigiLocker app from the Play Store by searching DigiLocker and clicking on the install page. Step 2. Sign in. Choose Sign up for a new account or Sign in for an existing one. Enter your mobile number for DigiLocker access, then click Proceed. An OTP will be sent to your entered number. Enter the OTP here and click Verify. After verification, you can create your username and password for the account. Username must have 3 to 50 characters, lowercase letters, numbers, and select special characters. Do not start with a special character. Password 8 to 30 characters with at least one letter, one number, and one special character from hash, asterisk, dollar, and @. Enter the password again for confirmation. Once verified, select Sign Up to access the DigiLocker homepage. Upon successful account creation, you'll receive a legal notice. Set your PIN and confirm it for reconfirmation. Step 2. Home screen. We will explain on how to issue the document and how to upload document. This is your DigiLocker home screen. Access other sections or links from here, including getting your documents issued under Quick Links. How to issue documents? Example, linking your Aadhaar account. Access, get your digital Aadhaar from Quick Links, then enter your Aadhaar number. Enter document details, tick the box to allow DigiLocker to retrieve your OTP and KYC information from UIDAI, then select Continue. Next, OTP verification, enter OTP sent to your phone and Aadhaar number. Click Continue to issue the document. Click Issued Documents to see uploaded items like your Aadhaar card. It's DigiLocker verified, just like a physical copy. Returning, you can find documents to issue by clicking the search icon. Discover profile, QR code, issued, and uploaded docs in the menu. Now, what does a tab for uploaded documents server? Click Uploaded Docs, then use the upload icon for scans like PAN cards. Remember, only issued docs hold legal validity. After uploading, a message box appears asking permission to access media files. Click Allow to proceed. Then, select your files and choose the desired document. Uploaded documents will be visible under the Upload tab. DigiLocker is an incredible tool. Issued documents are as valid as physical ones since they're verified. Uploaded documents, though not verified, can be securely stored online. It's a fantastic resource from the digital initiative that many Indian citizens benefit from.